You finally got the bike. The adrenaline is real. But wait, are you really ready to ride? I mean, really ready. Sure, you've got the open road calling, but before you answer, you need the right gear. We're talking about the stuff that separates a casual cruise from a confident ride, the difference between a close call and a story you tell with a grin. This isn't just about looking the part, it's about safety, comfort, and ultimately, owning your experience on two wheels. So, let's dive into the essential gear every new rider needs, breaking down the tech and specs so you can hit the road fully prepared. First up, the helmet. Before you even think about firing up your bike, this is the one piece of gear you should never skip. It's not just a box to check off your safety list, it's the most important investment you'll make as a rider. This isn't just a suggestion, it's your rolling safety cage. Think of it as your personal force field, shielding your head from impacts, flying debris, and the unexpected. Every time you put it on, you're giving yourself a fighting chance in the event of a crash. We're talking about the one piece of gear that stands between you and a world of hurt. Helmets have saved countless lives, and the difference between wearing one and not can be night and day. It's not just about following the law, it's about protecting your future. Now you'll hear about DOT, ECE, and SNELL safety ratings. These aren't just random letters, they're proof that your helmet has been put through serious testing. Each certification means your helmet has survived a battery of impact and penetration tests, so you know it's up to the task. Think of these as different exams your helmet has to pass. DOT is the basic requirement in the US, ECE is the European standard, and SNELL is a voluntary, extra tough test. The more certifications, the better. DOT is the US standard, ECE is European, and both are widely respected. If you see both stickers, you know your helmet is recognized on both sides of the Atlantic, and SNELL is known for being super rigorous. SNELL-certified helmets go through even more demanding tests, so if you want the gold standard, look for that sticker. A helmet with any of these certifications will do the job, but SNELL is like the A+ student. Next, full face or modular. This is where personal preference and riding style come into play. Full face gives you maximum protection, wrapping around your entire head. It covers your chin, jaw, and face, offering the best defense against impacts and road rash. If you're serious about safety, this is the way to go. Modular helmets offer some versatility, with a chin bar that flips up, handy for quick chats at stoplights or grabbing a drink without taking your helmet off. They're a great option for touring riders or commuters who want a bit more convenience. But remember, full face reigns supreme when it comes to safety. In a crash, that extra coverage can make all the difference, especially for your jaw and face. Look for features like good ventilation, fog-resistant visors, and a comfortable liner. These details might seem small, but they make a huge difference on long rides, keeping you cool, clear-headed, and focused on the road. You'll be wearing this for hours, so comfort is key. A helmet that fits snugly but doesn't pinch, with soft padding and adjustable straps, will keep you riding longer and safer. And don't worry, you don't have to break the bank for a decent lid. There are plenty of high-quality helmets out there that won't empty your wallet. Brands like HJC, AGV, and Scorpion offer solid options under $300. So do your research, try on a few, and pick the one that feels right. Your helmet is your most important riding partner. Treat it that way, and it'll take care of you when it matters most. Next up is the jacket, your second skin on the road. A good riding jacket isn't just about looking cool, it's about serious protection. Look for jackets with armor in the elbows, shoulders, and back. This armor should meet CE level 1 or 2 certifications. The higher the level, the better the impact protection. Now let's talk materials. Mesh jackets are lightweight and breathable, perfect for warm weather. Leather is the classic choice, offering superior abrasion resistance but can get hot and heavy. Textile jackets, usually made from nylon or cordura, offer a good balance of protection, breathability, and affordability. Ideally, you want a jacket that's adaptable to different weather conditions. Look for removable liners and vents that let you adjust to changing temperatures. For budget-conscious riders, brands like Joe Rocket and Alpine Stars offer great entry-level options. If you're willing to spend a bit more, Revit and Danes are known for their top-notch quality and features. Let's talk about gloves. Not just any gloves, but the kind that stand between you and the road. The kind that can make all the difference when things go sideways. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, gloves are one of those pieces of gear you simply can't overlook. You might think, they're just gloves, how important can they be? But trust me, they're absolutely crucial. Your hands are your connection to your bike, controlling the throttle, brakes, and clutch. If you can't use your hands, you can't ride. It's that simple. In a fall, your hands are almost always the first thing to hit the ground. Instinctively, you reach out to break your fall. And without proper protection, that split second can mean scrapes, bruises, or even broken bones. Good riding gloves are designed to protect your hands from abrasion and impact, keeping you in control even in the worst situations. They're built with tough materials that can withstand sliding on asphalt, and padding that absorbs shock from sudden impacts. When shopping for gloves, look for features like reinforced palms, sturdy knuckle armor, and solid wrist protection. These aren't just marketing buzzwords, they're the difference between walking away from a crash and dealing with months of recovery. Wrist protection is especially important. A bent or twisted wrist in a fall can lead to serious long-term injuries. The right gloves will have extra support around the wrist, helping to prevent those painful bends and breaks. Now, we live in a tech-savvy world, so touchscreen compatibility is a huge plus. Modern gloves often come with special fingertips that let you use your phone or GPS without taking them off, which is a game changer on the road. You don't want to be fumbling with your gloves every time you need to adjust your GPS, answer a call, or change your music. Comfort is also key. If your gloves aren't comfortable, you'll be distracted, and that's never good when you're riding. Make sure your gloves fit snugly, but aren't too tight. You want enough flexibility to move your fingers freely, but not so much that the gloves slide around. Good ventilation is a must for hot days, keeping your hands cool and sweat-free. And remember, there's no one-size-fits-all. Different gloves for different seasons is the way to go. Having a couple of pairs ensures you're always prepared, no matter the weather. Lightweight gloves are perfect for summer, letting your hands breathe while still offering protection. For winter, go for insulated and waterproof options to keep your hands warm and dry, so you can focus on the ride, not the cold. Brands like Icon, Scorpion, and Alpine Stars offer a wide range of gloves for all budgets and riding styles. Whether you're looking for something basic or top of the line, there's a glove out there that's perfect for you. So, don't skimp on this essential piece of gear. Your hands will thank you every time you hit the road. Moving on to footwear. We're not talking about your everyday sneakers here. Riding boots are designed to protect your feet and ankles in a crash, and provide a solid platform for shifting and braking. Look for boots with ankle protection, reinforced toe boxes, and oil-resistant, non-slip soles. Shift pads are also a nice touch, protecting your boots from wear and tear while shifting gears. Weatherproofing is another important factor to consider. Waterproof boots will keep your feet dry in the rain, while breathable boots will prevent your feet from getting sweaty on hot days. And since you'll probably be doing more than just riding in these boots, comfort and walkability are essential. You don't want to feel like you're wearing ski boots every time you step off the bike. TCX, CD, and Alpine Stars are all reputable brands that offer a variety of riding boots, from sporty track-focused boots to casual and comfortable options. Last but not least, let's talk about pants. When it comes to motorcycle gear, pants are often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in your overall protection. Your legs are just as vulnerable as any other part of your body, and in the event of a fall or slide, regular clothing simply won't cut it. You might be tempted to just throw on your favorite pair of jeans, but trust me, specialized riding pants offer a whole other level of protection. While regular jeans might look and feel comfortable, they're not designed to withstand the harsh realities of the road. Motorcycle-specific pants are engineered with your safety in mind, offering features that everyday clothing simply can't match. Look for pants made from abrasion-resistant materials like Cordura denim or Kevlar. These advanced fabrics are specifically chosen for their ability to resist tearing and abrasion, which is critical if you ever find yourself sliding across pavement. The difference in durability between regular denim and these high-tech materials is truly night and day. These materials can withstand a slide on the asphalt, protecting your skin from serious road rash. In fact, many riding pants are tested under extreme conditions to ensure they hold up during real-world accidents. This means you can ride with confidence, knowing your gear is working as hard as you are to keep you safe. Knee armor is another essential feature. Impact zones like your knees are especially vulnerable during a crash, so having built-in armor can make a huge difference in preventing injuries. Many pants come with adjustable armor pockets, allowing you to position the protection exactly where you need it. Just like with the jacket, look for CE Level 1 or 2 certified armor for maximum impact protection. CE certification means the armor has been rigorously tested to absorb and disperse energy from impacts, giving you peace of mind every time you ride. Hip armor is also becoming increasingly common, providing an extra layer of safety. The hips are another area prone to injury, and having armor here can help reduce the risk of fractures or bruising in the event of a fall. Now, you don't have to sacrifice style for safety. Modern riding jeans are designed to look just like your favorite pair of casual pants, so you can go from the bike to the cafe without missing a beat. The days of bulky, awkward motorcycle gear are long gone. Many brands offer riding jeans that look like your everyday denim but pack in all the protective features you need. These jeans blend seamlessly into your wardrobe, making them perfect for both commuting and weekend rides. These jeans often have reinforced seams, extra stitching, and pockets for armor inserts. The attention to detail in their construction means you get both durability and comfort, with features like stretch panels and moisture-wicking liners for all-day wear. Brands like Revit, Rocker, and Pando Moto offer a stylish and protective selection of riding jeans. With so many options available, you can find the perfect pair that matches your style and riding needs, ensuring you never have to compromise on safety or appearance. So there you have it, the essential gear to elevate your ride from day one. Remember, this isn't about just ticking boxes, it's about investing in your safety and confidence on every adventure. The right gear doesn't just protect you, it defines your ride. Drop a comment with your go-to gear and subscribe for more biker wisdom.